Chef TJ. I am at Luke Palladino in Linwood Central Square. We are featuring some Restaurant Week items. Right here, we're going to start with some appetizers. We have our fratelli, which are crisp squares of spaghetti, ricotta, and salami, heirloom bean soup. Also for lunch, we have our primavera panini with some house-made sweet potato chips, our rigatoni bolognese pasta, our braised beef cheeks with gnocchi alla romano, and our desserts, we have some house-made biscotti, salami turone, and also we have our olive oil cake with blood orange marmellata. So we feature all these items at Restaurant Week, and we will see you there. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Luke Palladino. Come see us in Linwood for Atlantic City Restaurant Week. We have a great menu with lots of variety. Let me cook for you.
See you at Luke Palladino's for Restaurant Week.